ever tried recording your laptop screen only to realize that the audio didn't capture? Frustrating, right? In this guide, I will be showing you how to record your laptop screens with less effort. Let's get started. There are two ways you can record your screen. The first option is to use the keyboard shortcut Windows Alt R, and the second option is to use a Google Chrome extension. In this video, we will be looking at the second option. To get access to this Chrome extension, open a new browser and head over to these three dots, click on it, and then navigate your mouse to extensions. Select Visit Chrome Web Store. Over here, use your search bar to search for this extension called FluentNet. FluentNet is a screen and webcam recorder, so we are going to add it to our extensions. Select Add to Chrome. After adding to Chrome, in order to use this extension successfully, you need to sign up as a new user. So over here, you input your name, your email, your password, and you go ahead to create an account. After signing up, a verification code will be sent to your email. Do well to verify. This is how the interface looks like. On this is your dashboard. When you click on this is your workspace. This is your workspace. You can create new workspace. Then you get to see shared with me. Then you can delete your files, recycle bin. When you delete any video, it appears here. Then it gets automatically deleted after 7 days. One thing to also note is that FlowNet is free to use. You don't have to pay for it, okay? So in order to do that, come to extensions and then select extension and pin it. Now, in case you want to record your screen, just select it from here. If you've not pinned it, you will not be able to use FlowNet for free. So make sure that you pin it to your extensions. So you click on it. After clicking on the extension, you see options like record screen only, screen plus camera, and then camera only. Then you can see the recording settings over here. So we have MP4 format and then 180p compressed. You can decide to change this, but I won't advise you to do that. If you are using an external microphone to record your videos, do well to select microphone audio, else you record your videos and then there will be no sound. After recording your videos, you will see all your videos in your dashboard. So you head over to your dashboard and then choose the video that you recorded and click on the download button over here. The video will be downloaded for you and you go ahead to edit it. If you are looking to have an overview of how Google Drive works as a beginner, do well to check my next video.